Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make hard candy strawberries. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of granulated sugar, 3/4 of a cup of light corn syrup, and 1/4 of a cup of water. Don't forget your red food coloring and a few drops of strawberry flavoring. Also, have a candy thermometer and a silicone mat ready for the next steps. Now, let's get cooking. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine your sugar, corn syrup, and water. Stir this mixture gently over medium heat until all the sugar has fully dissolved. Once dissolved, stop stirring and insert your candy thermometer. Continue to cook the syrup without stirring until it reaches exactly 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 149 degrees Celsius. Once your syrup reaches the target temperature, immediately remove it from the heat. This is the exciting part. Carefully add a few drops of red food coloring and your strawberry flavoring. Work quickly but gently, stirring just enough to ensure the color and flavor are evenly distributed throughout the hot candy mixture. Be cautious, as the syrup is extremely hot. Finally, it's time to shape your delicious hard candy strawberries. Carefully pour the hot candy mixture onto your prepared silicone mat. You can use a strawberry-shaped mold, or if you're feeling creative, gently pull and snip small pieces into strawberry forms. Let the candy cool completely and harden before handling. Enjoy your homemade hard candy strawberries.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.